'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the shop, not a project was stirring, not even a drop. The tools sat in silence, awaiting the cheer of gifts from Skookum to bring a new year. The wish list was filled with care and delight. Bandsaw blades gleaming, ready to bite. Saw blades so sharp, they cut without flaw. Perfect for Dad, who works with such awe. Sanding belt spinning to smooth every grain. A gift for the craftsman through snow, sleet, or rain. And end mills that carve through steel with grace. A Christmas gift sure to light up his face. Router bits ready to groove and to glide. Forcer bits cutting clean with nothing to hide. Each click of the mouse, a tool at your door. Skookum Tools brings joy and much more. No need for the malls or long crowded queues. Online shopping is easy with Skookum to choose. For dad or husband or anyone's craft, these tools will inspire, they'll make spirits laugh. So this Christmas season, as you gather around, with projects awaiting and sawdust abound, remember Skookum, where quality reigns, and gifts for the workshop deliver with gaze. From sanding to sawing to bits that won't quit, Skookum Tools has it all to make every fit. So shop online now and spread Christmas cheer with gifts from Skookum that last year to year.